Bonjour! This is video 2 in our lesson 17 series of videos. In this section of the notes, I don't have any practice for you directly. You will practice the vocab you learn in this section with our next video. So this is just notes. Also, I haven't reminded you all in a while because I'm pretty sure about 4 of you are watching these videos. But you should be taking notes. I give you a copy that you can take notes on, a Google Doc copy you can take notes on, or you can take notes in a notebook. But you should be taking actual notes. That is why I'm doing this. Moving on. So today we are looking at les parties du corps, the parts of the body. Le corps means the body. Looks like corpse, right? Body. So a lot of this is going to be review vocab. You learned a lot of this in French 1, but I think maybe there are a few new things. So let's look what we've got. First, 2 verbs that are associated with the body. They're regular verbs. Just want to show them to you. So, first up, we've got je lève le bras droit. I raise the right arm. Okay? The verb here is lever, and it means to raise. Lever, to raise. And it's conjugated like acheter. It's a stem changing verb, right? So the first E in the je, tu, il, elle, and il, elle plural forms gains an accent grave. Okay, to raise. And then, je plie les jambes. Je plie les jambes, the verb is plier. Plier. It means to bend. So I bend my legs. Plier, to bend. There's a motion in ballet called plier. It comes from this. To plier is like to bend your knees. It comes from the word plier. That's it. Lever you've probably heard in French 1. If your teacher ever asked you to stand up, she would probably say levez-vous. Stand up. Alright, now, this part is actually mostly review. So parts of the body. We've got l'épaule. L'épaule means shoulder. Shoulder. It's like the word epaulette. If you're in ROTC, those are the things that like go on your shoulders, an epaulette. Also the word pauldron. If you're into like armor, you might have heard it in like a video game. Pauldron's like shoulder armor. So épaule is shoulder. Le bras. Le bras is the arm. La main. La main is the hand. Hand, main. Un doigt. Un doigt. Doigt is finger. Okay, this arrow is pointing at her back. Le dos means back. Le dos, back. Le cœur. Le cœur is the heart. The heart. And le ventre, or l'estomac, there are 2 different words. Le ventre, or l'estomac, is the stomach. Okay, so that's the upper half of the body. And then there are no good pictures of legs on the internet. If you just search legs, they're mostly disturbing. So this is the best I could do. So la jambe is a leg, the leg. Le genou is the knee. The knee. And le pied. Le pied is the foot. The foot. Okay? Now, this next section might have more new words. Okay. This is Emmanuel Macron. He's the current president of France. He was elected in 2017. France has 5-year presidential terms. So he's still president. Okay, so la tête. La tête means the head. That's what we're looking at here. La tête. La figure. La figure is the face. La figure. Okay. Les cheveux. You know this word. Les cheveux is hair. The hair. Un œil. Un œil, or les yeux. Les yeux, eyes. Okay, so one eye is œil, les yeux, two eyes. You're almost always going to say two eyes. So les yeux is the plural. Le nez. Le nez is the nose. The nose. If you are familiar with, I think in English we say the Nez Perce Indians, the Nez Perce Native Americans, that name is from French, nez perce, I think, pierced nose. Nez. Okay, une oreille. Une oreille is an ear. La bouche. La bouche is the mouth. The mouth. Une dent. Une dent is a tooth. Les dents is teeth. And le cou. Le cou is the neck. Le cou. Okay, and that's it. Those are the body parts. I think a lot of that was just review, but there are a couple new ones. So like I said, your practice for this section is going to be with your next set of notes, because there's a little bit of grammar construction we need to learn before you can really practice with these. If we were in person, we would be playing Simon Says. I have not figured out a way to make that happen virtually. So if you have any questions, let me know, but this is pretty straightforward. Au revoir.